Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record your PC screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my PowerPoint application on my PC and I'm going to show you guys how we can use PowerPoint to record our screen. First of all, you can go to the insert menu on the Microsoft PowerPoint and then you can go to the media right here and then you can select screen recording. Alright, and then you're going to select the recording area like this guys, and then you're going to click on record to start the recording. Okay, I'm going to start the recording now. Alright, and now my screen is being recorded using the Microsoft PowerPoint. And then if you want to stop the recording, you can go to this menu. You can move your cursor here and then you can click on the stop button like this, and then the recorded video will be automatically added to your slide, and this is the result. Alright, and now my screen is being recorded. Okay, and if you want to save this video to your device, you can right click on your video and then you can click on save media as, and then I'm just going to name it record. Okay, then we can click on save and I'm going to check it in my file explorer. Okay, this is the video I have just recorded with Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay guys, and that's all the way to record screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.